This is the Dassault Rafale production line. Each fuselage moves through highly organized stations manned by expert technicians. Here we see the 5-axis CNC machines processing titanium bulkheads, a critical step in high-precision aerospace manufacturing. The CMM probe meticulously measures the titanium component, providing real-time deviation analysis against the engineering specifications.
Cart 1 locked in. Vacuum check complete.
Ready to initiate sequence. Ramping temperature and pressure now.
Cycle the mechanism to full extension and check synchronization across all sections.
Extension verified. Retracting now. Travel range is nominal.
Initiating deflection check. Reading stabilizing at plus 25 degrees.
Clearances confirmed nominal. Ranging down to minus 15.
Cycle the forewing up slowly, bringing it to maximum deflection. Laser alignment check is active.
Make sure that fastener is torqued correctly.
The thermal seals are seated properly before we close this section up.
Manifest confirmed, serials match.
Good.
Turbine blades show minor wear, within tolerance.
Approaching the bay, guiding ropes steady. Inside, we have visual confirmation, ready for alignment. Torque set on the main bolts.
Manifolds connected. Initiating nozzle cycle.
Movement looks synchronized.
Secure the forward fasteners first. Copy that. Verifying seal integrity now. Looks good.
Ready on my mark. 3, 2, 1, lowering.
Seated. Connections clear.
Optics check complete. Green light.
Antenna array secured on the starboard side.
Running the continuity check on the RF receivers now. Stand by for telemetry.
Make sure the harnesses are secured behind panel 4. Copy that. Aligning the main display now.
Guiding onto the rails now.
Locked. Audible engagement confirmed.
Starting the electrical continuity verification.
Built-in test capabilities verified. Cross-channel communication is green.
Excellent. Confirms full system redundancy.
The dual independent hydraulic systems are routed throughout the airframe. Technicians utilize calibrated torque wrenches to
Initiating pressure test sequence. Pressure is rising. Holding steady at the target. System integrity verified.
The environmental control system integrates the AC packs and bleed air systems.
Airflow readings are nominal across all vents.
Connecting the generators requires precision wiring to the main distribution panel, followed by rigorous multimeter testing to verify voltage and continuity.
Lowering the gear, staying clear.
Alignment check's good. Ready for bolts.
Torquing bolts 1 and 2 now.
Initiating left deflection test.
Angles check good. Now swinging right.
Initiating the retraction cycle test, hook deploying.
Deploy looks good. Clear path. Retracting hook. Confirming secure lock in 3, 2, 1. Locked.
Initiate hydraulic lock sequence.
System stabilizing. We have alignment. Go for bolts.
Okay, initiating manual cycle on starboard. Cycling port side in sync. Movement is smooth. Synchronization confirmed. Installation looks good.
Start the sequence on the forward bolts.
Torquing 1 through 5 now.
Alignment verified. Continue sequence.
Harness connected. Initiate functional test sequence.
Roger that. Stand by for mechanism actuation check.
Hydraulics connected. Initiating functional test sequence. Extension cycle engaged. Smooth articulation confirmed. Retracting now.
Increase pressure to 3000 psi.
Pressure stabilizing. Gear cycling initiated.
Flight control cycling. Green light confirmed.
Check the load balance on panel 4.
Reading nominal. Checklist item 42. Confirm pass.
Copy that. Proceed to avionics.
Flight controls check. Moving stick forward.
Confirm movement. Deflection angle reading stable at 8 to 5 degrees. Looks good.
Throttle coming up. Stabilizing at 95%. Copy that. Parameters look good across the board. Monitoring vibration.
Functional testing of the environmental control system begins with the canopy seal validation, monitoring pressure differential, and
Flight systems, this is ground. ComCheck 1 transmitting on VHF.
Ground loud and clear on VHF. Switching to data link test now. GPS position verified.
Here we see the systematic process of surface finishing, ensuring optimal adhesion for the primer coat.
Bay 64 clear.
Copy that. Moving to station 40. Ensure all access panels are secured.
Raise lift slowly. Watch the clearance. Clear on the pylon. Engaging now.
we monitor the aircraft systems as high-intensity RF fields verify that radar and communication systems remain operational despite the interference.
Initiating hydraulic failure test sequence now.
Failure confirmed. System is reconfiguring. Pressure stabilizing in degraded mode.
Temperature stabilizing at +60. Hydraulics holding nominal pressure.
Time is critical as the team completes the final pre-flight checks, removing safety pins and covers before the pilot boards for engine start.
Handling qualities assessment complete. Inputs are precise.
Copy. Flight. All parameters in the green.
Initiating gear cycle. Transit normal. Gear shows down and locked.
Flight surface is clear, downloading the recorder now.
Data confirms a pressure drop during the maneuver.
The aircraft response was nominal, but control authority felt sluggish.
As you can see on the board, the engagement zone maneuverability exceeded expectations, especially in the sustained turn rate.
With standardized workstations and refined procedures, the production rate dramatically increased, ensuring efficiency at every stage.
Here in the specialized assembly area, we integrate the customer-specific avionics and weapons systems required for the export variant Rafales.
It is an honor to deliver this aircraft.
We formally accept the Rafale into service. It marks a new era for our Air Force.
Maintenance checklist confirms all systems operational.
Copy that. Initiating engine sequence. Clear the area.
Briefing complete. Remember the ROE. Let's get this done. Rafale 3 clearing the runway now.
Rafale 1 systems check shows green, ready to launch.
Debriefing confirmed successful engagement. The aircraft performed exceptionally well under combat conditions.
Clear for launch. Launch alert. Hook down. Approaching the deck. Clear the landing area now.
Through systematic disassembly and modernization, we install new generation mission computers and enhanced radar capabilities.
Warning, engine surge. Fire detected.
Acknowledged. Engaging fire suppression. Checklist complete. Turning back.
Maintain altitude until we clear the engagement zone.
Copy that. Shifting focus to the strike package.
Good work securing the airspace.
The data from the Rafale is clear. Our thrust vectoring models are sound.
Now we apply this to the Loyal Wingman's autonomous flight controls. We're balancing defense requirements with environmental responsibility, implementing sustainable practices from solar energy to advanced.
This is the legacy we're building here. It's about precision, pride, and the future of aerospace.
I can't wait to be a part of it.
When I pointed her nose towards the sky, the power from that engine was incredible. The technology in this cockpit was light years ahead,